Good evening, friends. Today I am just doing an honor to get open this box, a very premium look and a fantastic handset which is launched by Vivo. It's a premium handset X90 and this is X90 Pro. So let me open it. My name is Satya. I'm representing Hotspot and here I'm doing it. So one thing is very good. I like this to get open all these wraps. Usually we used to use our nails or cutter, but they had given a very easy tool to tear it off. And now let me open it. The look of black box is giving a premiumness, very good looking and very premium. Let me open the box. Yes. So this is the box. Some leatherite book, black color. And here is the gel. And let's take it out. Wow. The first thing is camera. So 1-inch G's camera. That's what they are promoting, and that's what is the beauty of this handset. And here is the luxury. A leatherite back with a black beauty, with the best of the camera, the G's camera, that's what they are saying. And this is the look. Very fantastic look, very premium, very handy also. Even though it's a 6.8 inch, but it's still very handy, very handy. And if I get it open, let me on it. And this phone, even though very slim, having this 3D curved display with the 4500 mAh battery. And one very nice and fantastic thing about this handset, this is having a 120 watt dual cell charger. This is the charger. Till the time the phone will open, I'll show you. Oh, this is very heavy. And here is the charger. And for this charger, this is the charger. And with this charger, 8 minutes and 10 seconds, your phone will be 50% charged. 50%, 120 watt dual cell charger. That's the beauty of this handset. One has a very fast charging. So I'm just keeping it away. Let me start the phone. I'm just starting it. Agree. Let me do it everything. Continue. Next. And it will start. Accept. Not to do anything else. But very premium. Very premium. It's up to your imagination what this phone can do. Wow. See the sea. See, this is the face. A very beautiful curved display. This leatherite back is giving us such a premiumness that you love to own it. This camera, this is Pro, and this is Snapdragon processor. I go by the camera, and what a camera! If I show you my picture, if you have seen me live, you could have thought that I just become a film star. See, here it is. So yes. Do I look like a South Indian hero? No, but this phone can make me. So a fantastic look camera. This is G's 1-inch main camera. It is having this optical zoom also, 50 megapixel portrait camera. With a very fast charging 120 watt charger, which will give you a 50% charge just in a tune of say 8 minutes and 10 seconds. The charger is also a dual cell charger, a very premium look, and yes, you love to own it. They are writing it here, extreme imagination, and yes, they are absolutely right and true. This is beyond our imagination. This is extreme imagination. You love to own it. They have two variants into this. One is X90, another is X90 Pro, and X90 Pro comes with a price tag of 84,999, and X90 is coming with a price tag of 59,999. I have a X90 also. I'll show you the X90 too. I have two boxes. One is for X90, another is for X90 Pro. And if you want to see this X90 also, I'll show you the X90. I love the color. I really love the color what X90 is having. This is also a very look wise is almost same. The only difference is this is 8GB, 256GB, or 8GB, 128GB, and this is having a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 as a processor. Pro is having a Snapdragon. So look wise, both are same, both are fantastic look. I really love this color. This is a watery blue, really a very cool color. And here are these two gel which I have. One is a black beauty, another is a blue beauty. This is X90 and this is X90 Pro. We at Hotspot, we have the demos available on our store. Please visit our store to have a demo, live demos. Even if you don't want to come, do make a call to us and we will give you a demo at home. We'll just reach to your place, maybe at your home or at your office. And pre-booking already started. The commercial unit or the commercial units will come out in the market by 5th of next month, 5th of May. But you can have a look on our store, and if you pre-book with us, there is an offer from Hotspot. You'll get a calling watch free. So what are you waiting for? Just come to us and grab yours. Thank you.